What up, guys? I am super stoked right now because we just got the brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 9 delivered here at the office. It's always fun when the top dogs brings us new stuff, and we only had this one for a couple of hours, so we turbo tested it to give you guys this first impression video. Here it goes. If we start out with the general looks of it, there are no new revolutionary things here. The Note 9 looks just like my old Note 8. It has the same crisp AMOLED screen, it's just slightly wider. If you measure it diagonally, the screen size is 6.4 inches, but rounded corners taken into account, it's 6.3, so it's slightly larger than the old model. And this color is the ocean blue. You can see that the buttons on both sides has moved up just a little bit. And if we turn it, you can see that they've also moved the fingerprint reader to underneath the camera lenses. And that's a very good thing if you ask me, because with the old placement, your dirty fingers would just smudge up those back lenses. So the new sensor next to the lenses is for measuring your pulse. The S Pen is definitely in focus on this launch, as you can see on the box here. It makes sense since the S Pen is kind of the signature feature on the Note series, but it's the first time I've seen it on the box. So here it is. It's yellow, gold, and blue. The biggest upgrade they've done is that they've added Bluetooth to the S Pen so that you can use it as a remote for clickable actions like taking pictures, switching between front and rear cameras, when presenting in PowerPoint, or if you're just browsing. The S Pen menu looks the same, and it has the same customizing options as the old Note. As a Note user, I've grown quite fond of some of these. Since it has Bluetooth now, the pen also has a battery, and it charges while it's inside the phone, and it's said that 40 seconds of charging will give you 30 minutes of usage. Other than that, you got AKG speakers on the phone, and in the box also earphones from AKG. These are actually pretty impressive sound, and you also get some fitting options. If we look at the engine, the processor is 53% faster than the Note 8, and the battery capacity is 21% better now with 4,000 milliamps battery. If we look at the camera, it's the same as on the S9 Plus with super slow motion, 960 frames per second, dual aperture, optical zoom, and AR emojis. They've also added AI in here, meaning that the camera will try to recognize what type of picture you're taking and adjust its abilities thereafter, just like on the Huawei P20 Pro. There you have it, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, fresh out the box. No major changes, it's an upgrade of the Note series as we know it, but it's got a bigger engine and a more useful pen. I hope you enjoyed this first impression video. If you did, hit the like button and tell us what you think about the Note 9 by leaving a comment. If you want to see more like this, hit subscribe. Adios.